Hi there. I can tell her to watch too much Patrick Dickinson on YouTube. Hi there. Loves it, doesn't he? Well, I'm dead already, and we've only been going 20 minutes. But we're off up Caer Caradoc. So we'll see how we get on. It's raining pretty bad. Nearly there. Knackered. That cloud looks coming in.
See where the rain looks falling.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like, yeah. Absolutely insane.
There's a rocky outcrop here as well. So I could have going that one.
What a view. Absolutely banging, mate. Woo! Take your rubbish with you. What? He loves it, doesn't he?
You've got to be British wherever you go, boys.
Ain't it?
Oh, hang on, I'll play God Save the Queen.
Yeah, I'm moving on to take.
Yeah, we don't got any more.
What an absolute mansion, mate.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it?
I'm looking forward to sleeping in it, to be honest.
Get the oak bib in there.
Trying to get it right so that obviously my bivvy can be under the ground sheet. But
You were going to have your head that end?
because I can't really cover this whole thing with my ground sheet because obviously the bivvy's going to pop out a little bit.
Yeah.
So I need to make it so that I have the ground sheet coming out a bit.
Yeah, but you're going to have your head that end, like?
What?
You're going to have your head that end?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Bye-bye, mate.
Buzzing.
Bit windy, like. Just a bit. My God, it's absolutely windy. snap on the go. What you got cooking?
Chili non-carne.
Have a look. Whoa, cracking. That's a bit of that. Liam, what are you having?
I'm gonna have a pasta carbonara.
Oh, that sounds banging. That does sound good, mate. Whoa, Jesus. Snap on the go. Money making scheme in it. That is banging. What's yours like?
Banging.
Banging. Banging. Cracking. Does it get any better than that? Cracking, innit that? Ooh, shit. That is mint. Tonight we have got the UL80 to try. What the hell is that? Haven't tried this yet, but also haven't got any insulation, so we will see.